Instantly lift and glow with one product. On the left side without, and the right side with. Hi guys, I want to share with you my gorgeous lip and cheek veil, which is a multi-use product, which is amazing. It comes in 4 gorgeous shades. Coral Mist is our latest shade, which has a little bit of shimmer to it. Felicity is a matte shade, and it's great also for contouring. Totally Shy is a cool pink shimmer shade. Away is a matte rose shade. And I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to be using Swept Away, a nice rose shade. You're just going to apply that to the high part of your cheekbone to give an instant lift. And then you're also going to go onto the apples of the cheeks as well, and then do the other side. What I love about this product, it is multi-use product. So you can put that right on your eyelids. It's gentle enough for the eyelids, just for a little bit of color and a little bit of lift. Great to throw in your bag, and just to use it for your lips, your eyes, your cheeks. And it's a fabulous moisturizing product with many benefits, antioxidants, long lasting, and it gives you an instant lift and glow. Thanks for joining and watching me. Check out shcosmetics.com for more clean, natural beauty.